Hi, in the last few videos, we learned how to run a program and with help of that, how our robot will be working. And we have even seen some simulations which is done on behalf of our code. In the sense, like as our code will be commanding the robot will be working exactly. So now, let's see how to avoid an obstacle in a loop form. Loop in the sense to repeat something several times, right? So now we will start with my program because my program is most important block, as we know that in the last few videos also we have been telling this. So now after this we will move forward. Moving forward, again move forward 2 steps. Motions, move forward 2 steps. And after that, we want a robot to turn left and again move forward 2 steps. So now what does our robot do? Will that sense any obstacle? Let's see. So now it is going forward 2 steps and turning left and again moving forward 2 steps. Right? Now we want it to repeat this task. So for that, the first block which we have is repeat dash times and to do. This block is used when we want something to be repeated several times, several in the sense as many as we want. So after going to math, we will drag this block here, we will place a number. We want it to repeat 4 times. For example, 4 and then enter it. After entering it, let's see how it works. Oh, it is just as before. Why? Because we have told it to repeat 4 times. But we have not said what to repeat, right? So for that what we need to do is, we will click on the first block. If we click on first block, all the blocks will be carried with that. So after that, we'll place it in do. Now we have commanded our robot to repeat 4 times, like moving forward 2 steps, turn left 2 steps, move forward 2 steps. So it will repeat it. As we saw, it moved forward 2 steps and again move forward 2 steps and 2 steps and again left and the same path. So it have repeated our code as we have mentioned. But how do we sense an obstacle? So for that we need to add this block if and do. So this block is used to tell a robot if there is something turn left, like if condition. If you are feeling sick, you eat tablet. If it is raining, then open umbrella. So this is how we will command our robot car to do some task. So after placing this block here, we will go to sensors, because sensors are the thing in which we'll be knowing what is closer or what is further. So now here. So we don't want our robot to sense if obstacle is closer than 20 centimeter. We want to be sure prior, right? So for that, we will change it to further. So now it will sense if the obstacle is further than 20 centimeter, then do something. So now what it have to do? It will repeat 4 times, moving forward 2 times, turn left, move forward 2 steps. So this task will be repeated. Let's see how it works. So for that, we need to save our program first. After saving our project successfully, we'll be starting it. As we saw here, it moved smoothly as it went in the starting. So why is that happening? Because there is no obstacle present here. If there was any obstacle, then it would have stopped there, right? So how to do it? We will place it here and we will add this stop. So now it will sense if there is any obstacle, then it will stop. So start So now we saw that it is not at all moving. Why? Because there was an obstacle here. Before we didn't say it to stop. That is why it went so smoothly. And now we have commanded it to stop when there is an obstacle which is further than 20 centimeter. If we remove the stop and place these programs again and again start it, so as we can see, it is moving again even though there is an obstacle here. So if we remove this repeat my program from here and do, and we command it to stop if there is an obstacle. So when we do this, it says simulation started and finished. That means there is an obstacle here. So this is how we know if there is an obstacle or the path is smooth or anything. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, future robot builders.